May have helped a little bit, but it's going to make it. He's helping at this point.
Go.
It's going to make it, Rio. It's almost there. Yay! Success!
That's right.
It's water going off the side into the thing. That's what we were going for. We may have had to cheat a little, but you did it, Rio. Show us the whole pathway since you did the hardest work. Okay, show us all what you did from the beginning to the end. Hey, show us what you did.
I dug a hole, but
Well, it's okay. You don't have to do it again. Just show us what...
I dug a hole here.
Uh-huh.
Made a little pool of water so it'll go inside. Now, splash some water, go through, and finally achieved it.
And finally, yep, we've added mud to that pool. I didn't do anything. I cheered on. And Colin helped. He was digging.
I helped Rio get it so it would go down more instead of flat. Because he did it flat, so it was going backwards.
So you had to dig it down.
I got more water.
Oh, more water's coming. Here we go.